walls remember every tear, the echoes of what brought me here. I've built and broken, lost and found, my roots reborn beneath the ground. Waves of home, they pull and sway through every storm. I find my way. The tides of love, the truth they show. We rise, we fall, we learn to grow. The heart remembers what it hides, the healing found where pain resides. From ashes warm, a light begins. The soul returns to where it's been.